Hello everyone, this is Sanjukta. Welcome to my channel From Kitchen to the World with me. Today's vlog is about a place that follows two time zones. So let's begin with the tour for Hoover Dam. A visit to the Hoover Dam is an unforgettable experience. If you plan to visit Vegas, then plan for this place. It is around 35 miles away from Vegas. The dam restricts the Colorado River, creating Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States. It provides power to more than 1 million people in Arizona, Nevada, and California. The dam is located on the border between Nevada and Arizona, so follows two time zones. You can see the clocks, one shows 10:30 am and another is showing 11:30 am at the same time. You have a small trail to walk through to reach over the bridge to have a minute view from the above for the dam. It is named after President Mr. Herbert Hoover. It stands 726 feet tall and 1244 feet long. Construction of the dam started in 1931 and it took 5 years to complete. The dam cost $49 million to build. The dam has a visitor center that is open to the public, and more than 1 million people travel every year to see the dam. The Hoover Dam was designed a National Historic Landmark in 1985. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.